General information about the Potoo bird. Potoo is a beautiful and colorful tropical bird, found in South America. Some of its species can be seen in rainforests and wet areas. The Potoo reaches 30 centimeters in length. It is distinguished by its colorful feathers in green, blue, red, orange, yellow and white colors, with multiple patterns on its feathers. The Potoo is a social bird as it usually lives in groups and feeds on fruits, seeds and insects. The Potoo is characterized by its beautiful voice, which it uses to communicate with members of its group and to determine geographical locations. The Potoo is a calm and friendly bird, which makes it popular with many.